The winds swirl into a vortex of grey clouds, too dense for a ray of sun to pierce, even in desperation. I try and call out for help, but the wind whistles and wheezes so strongly that my words are snatched away by clutching gusts of dark air, drowning them in the screams of the wind's vitriolic rage. Does nobody else feel the unrelenting push of the wind, the hammering pelt of the ice-cold rain? I have no evidence to show of the merciless winds that plague my every thought. I can only pray that someone might understand how the vortex spins and swirls, but nobody does. I can try to calm the winds, but the invisible storm continues to rage on, swirling and spinning me faster with winds too dizzyingly strong to walk through. Its momentum never ceases. The bruised and swollen clouds above never part. The flowers that once grew so thick and tall now lay trampled and snapped at the stem, crushed, bare and broken, never to bloom with their beauty again.